And yon habang nga tayo ay nagpe-prepare ng dinner, which is favorite salad ni boss. Anyway, yung boss, si wife. Yun yung boss. So,
Mommy. Mommy. Is it mommy?
yeah, it's mommy.
Oh, the dragon. Okay. I love mommy.
So yun, just to add up, no, that all-purpose cleaner that we're using sa shop was made. I cannot say that it's really made for Papa Pat kasi that's from the supplier that supplying chemicals to us. Okay, so I cannot disclose the name of the supplier, but they're the one who's really making it, and they're a big chemical company that's making a lot of chemicals for household cleaning, janitorial supplies, and they're supplying to a lot of establishment here at Cavite and neighboring province. So yun, so siguro kung gusto niyong malaman kung ano yung all-purpose cleaner na ginagamit namin, visit nyo lang kami sa shop, or you can send us a message. Hindi naman ako nagtitinda nun. But yung supplier namin is very generous to give me that kind of chemical na sobrang effective. And the thing is, they are really the one who formulated that all-purpose cleaner that we are using dun nga sa ating shop. And ginagamit din to ng iba't ibang establishments, and yun, they can make your own timpla if you want. If you say that the all-purpose cleaner that you give me is medyo parang have a strong smell or chemically irritating some of the hands of our stuff, you can tell them, and then they can adjust the chemical itself. So, diba? Ang galing. Pwede pala yun. So,
I thought you're Tagalog in your video.
they're going to adjust on how their client want the chemicals to be. Okay, just some kwento lang while are making salad and then cooking for
What are you gonna put in the
boss.
salad?
This is my second boss.
Ang bunyi. Tanggal.
That's the other boss. Okay, so very effective all-purpose cleaner. We're using it on the exterior of the cars and the interior of the cars. Okay, we also experience at our shop that we have this client who has a problem with his seat. It was been
Dada.
what?
Can I borrow your phone later?
Yeah.
Yay.
So the seat was urinated by cats. Okay, so we all know naman that if a cat urinate doon sa kanya saang lugar pero it's really bad that it's umihi yun doon sa sa seat, no? So all the foams and the fabric of your car is gonna absorb it. Okay, that's bad. It is a bad smell. The smell's gonna be there. We all know that cats is terrestrial, so the smell's gonna be there. No matter how hard you try to, you try to wash it, the smell's gonna be there and it's not gonna be removed. Pero with this all-purpose cleaner that we're using on our shop, and syempre with the proper way on how to do it, natatanggal natin yung mga ganyan. So, kung meron kayong mga problema sa inyong mga car seats, sa interior ninyong mga sasakyan, we do have the chemicals that's gonna suit on the work that we are gonna be doing to your love, very, very love cars, which is expensive, di ba? So, syempre, the effect of the chemicals that, the effectiveness of the chemicals that we are using on our shop, it depends on how you use it. It depends on the technique that you're gonna do. And Papa Pato Auto Care Center, we know how to do it. So, what you're gonna do if you have this problem, just call us, okay, at 0956-563-1854 or 0991-9101-831.
How can they remember it?
They can remember it, I think. Pause it or just slow it down.
Or they can write it.
Yeah, correct. They can write it.
Where are you
And-
gonna post this?
I'm gonna post it on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay?
Instagram.
You can follow us. Yeah, syempre on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, on Threads. Nandun din tayo.
YouTube.
We're giving piece of advice for all the car guys there. And yan, may utang pa ako sa inyo yung ating car guys spotlight. Hindi ko pa ma-interview eh. He's so busy with his mechanic life. Grabe, ang dami niyang client dun sa shop. I have no time. I mean, not me. He has no time. Actually, wala din naman akong time. Pero, our car guy spotlight is very, very busy. I hope by the end of June, sana, no, may picture natin siya. And again, shout out to Doc Chris of Easy Work Garage. Maraming salamat. I appreciate you, Doc. Yun. Some piece of talking while I was cooking. Maglalaba pa ako. Okay. So, again, mga paps, see you in the next one. Alright.